What's up, everybody? It's Gord here from Gentech International, and today we're going to give you the top 5 reasons why you want to throw an Alpine in your dash. Number 1, best sound quality. Alpine sound quality is legendary. They've been doing the best in the business for a very long time. Some of those features are built right into these new radios, including this Alpine ILX F511. Really cool things like a parametric EQ for not just your entire sound, but every single channel. Your front left, your front right, your rear left, rear right, and even parametric bands for your subwoofer. All easily selectable, and you can adjust every single one of those bands quickly and easily. And it's parametric, which means you can dial in that exact frequency you want, how wide or how narrow the adjustment is, and of course, how much boost or gain or cut you're going to put in there. Crossover controls, same thing. Front, rear, sub crossovers, adjustable slopes, adjustable levels, adjustable frequencies. Makes it pretty simple and easy. And most importantly, time correction. So you can really dial in that sound quality no matter what car you're putting it in, whether you're putting it into a factory system with power, or you're going full-blown Alpine power, speakers, subwoofers, and doing the whole 9 yards. And of course, even your fader controls are all done digitally on the screen, touch and drag, super easy to use, but most importantly, it sounds fantastic. Number 2, Maestro Compatibility. Alpine wouldn't be Alpine if they weren't compatible with all the latest and cool feature tech outside of what they do. One of those, of course, is the ADS Maestro Compatibility. It's built into all of Alpine's in-dash multimedia radios now. The cool thing is when you integrate that, you retain a lot of your safety features, front, rear camera inputs capability, convenience features like your HVAC, heated seats, all those really cool integrated features. And of course, being Alpine, they also tie in and get all of those dashboard related things like your speed and your TAC capabilities as well. And they show them in a really cool display. Number 3, real 4-volt Preouts. Obviously, one of the things most people do with their Alpines is connect their amplifiers and speakers. Alpine has been using their 4-volt Preout for a long time. Why? Because it works. It's a true 4-volt Preout. Has tons of jam, runs out those RCAs, gets to the trunk to connect your amplifiers, minimize that noise, maximize the outputs, and gets that legendary Alpine sound. Number 4, Alpine system expandability. Alpine's all about system expansion. One of the really cool things that we can obviously do is add on amplifiers, speakers, DSP, all through your analog connections. But Alpine makes it easier to do a lot of other things with your head unit as well. For example, you can add on the accessory for getting your outputs connected and automatically get in from your head unit and have up to 8 different devices switched. Really cool. Things like your Sirius XM 360L for your expansion capability. So instead of just your 150 so odd channels that you get from the satellites, adds on now 300, 400, 500 extra channels that you can access through your phone and combine them accessibly through your head unit. Really cool expansion to do tidal streaming, which allows you to actually directly stream in high res directly from your phone's data line into the Alpine radio, so you're not limited by your Apple or your Android connection speeds. Really, really cool features. Allows you to add on more connections. Front and rear cameras, of course, for safety features. You name it, we can plug it in. That's what Alpine's about. And number 5, that Premium Alpine Experience. Ultimately, the Alpine Premium Experience is what you're getting every single time you put an Alpine in your dash. Whether it's for your sound, your video, your CarPlay or Android Auto capability, safety systems like front and rear camera capability, convenience features like Sirius XM 360L, tidal, and streaming from your phone, CarPlay, Android Auto. It's all built into the Alpine radios and it's part of that premium experience. There are a ton of reasons, but those are your top 5 reasons why to choose an Alpine radio for your dash. For more information, visit your local Alpine retailer, check us out at gentech-intl.com, or visit the Alpine website at alpine-usa.com.